In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your StoryGraph account. To start, open the StoryGraph app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on Manage Account, which will take you to your account settings page where you can adjust different preferences related to your profile. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Here you'll see a section labeled Delete Account, along with a clear warning that this process is irreversible. Deleting your account means all your data on StoryGraph, including your reading history, book clubs, and statistics, will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. If you're sure you want to continue, tap on Delete Account. A confirmation box will appear asking if you're certain about permanently deleting your account and removing all your data. If you're completely sure, tap OK to confirm. Once you do that, your account will be permanently deleted and all your information will be erased from their servers. And this is how you can delete your StoryGraph account.